Hey everybody, I hope you've been having a phenomenal day. Today I have been given the pleasure to unbox the new Muzen Born to be Wild wireless speaker. It comes in a really nice bag, just off the rip. You could give this to your friends, to your family members, anybody you want to give it to. As a gift, you can simply give it to them like this. Now here, it looks like a military grade item. There's information on the back right here talking about the weight and size. It is about 251 grams. It's a loudspeaker. Everything you want to learn is here. Now, for the main product, I will simply just open this up. Here it is. Simply open it. And inside, unveiled the Muzen speaker. So immediately looking right here, volume button, the import button. This is where you could put your charger, the HDMI cable. It's gonna go right here, right under here, right under everything. Even you could see the nice little case and film that they gave it. So the item comes unscratched and unbothered by anything going around. Here's the HDMI cable I was talking about, where you'll simply plug it right in here. And then you're also given the small and dandy compact instruction manual, just like its little brother right here. Now, that's pretty much everything I need to show you that comes in the box. I will now be showing you some music. I will play some small low beats to just show you how everything is going to look, how everything is going to sound, and everything you need to learn about this product. Alright everybody, the possibilities are endless. I have connected the music. I will just simply higher the volume. Insane. For something this tiny and compact, giving it this type of output is truly insane to me. I connected it to the Bluetooth on my iPad and it connected instantly. You just simply bring this down here and you hold it, and the Bluetooth button will appear on the iPad or whatever the device you're trying to use it on. But yeah, I truly do highly recommend this product. It's very convenient, very compact, very helpful. I mean for its size, it is kind of heavy, but you could bring this about almost everywhere. So I truly do highly recommend this for anybody who wants a really nice, well-priced speaker that gives phenomenal outputs and a safe, convenience, and everything that comes with it is perfect. Thank you guys so very much for watching. I do highly recommend this product, and I hope you have a phenomenal day. Thank you guys.